Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to add timestamps on your YouTube video upload. So, very quickly, let's upload a video file right here. Let's add this video file. Now, the best way to add a timestamp here is to simply add here on the bottom or on the description page the timestamp. So let's say here, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. Then from there, let's add title. Just what you want to do here is rewatched here. Just add in timestamps there, like so. And then just rewatch the entire video right there. So let's say that 0 to 10, like so. Zero to 0, 10. Production. Then from here, from 25 up until 317. So 5 to 7, 317. This is now the main tutorial. And that's it. So add on as many timestamps as you'd like. And yeah, hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.